1:53 a.m. Yep. And if you don't know how this works, see those bolts right there? See that metal trim right there? It just sits back and goes up there like that. That's why the tops be tights like that right there. Just a short little preview for you. Check it out. And those bolts were a 13. Yep. It just pretty much pushes back up on there on those screws that I just showed you. And you put the screw in the bolt, the nut in the washer on, and wow. It is now that special 4:44 a.m. That one gonna come back out after we do it. Hey, don't not line up the holes. You have to edit that if you do it wrong. Line up those holes. Yup, that's the rock that was stewed.